Do you know that there are n number of methods to sell your products on Amazon? In this video, I'm going to break it. What are the types available? What are beginner friendly? And what are invite only programs? And how you can utilize the best opportunity. So do watch this video completely. Hey everyone, I am Nivetha Muralidharan, founder of New Gen Max and Nivetha E-Academy. I have trained over 50,000 plus people to kickstart their e-commerce journey and help several D2C brands to skyrocket their sales profitably on Amazon. So in this video, I'm going to share you what are the different fulfillment modes available on Amazon and what are the different types of accounts available. Basically, the basic account that is available for every new person is Seller Central. So when you go to the Seller Central, the three open methods that are available for a new seller is Easy Ship, Self-ship and FBA. Easy ship means you will be getting the parcel, you have to pack it and Amazon courier guys will come, pick the parcel, deliver to the customer. You can use any packing materials, your packing materials, Amazon packing materials. If you are looking to buy packing materials, then do check out the link along with this video. I have shared an exclusive link for the same. Do bookmark it. In self-ship, you will be getting the orders, you will have to pack it yourself and you will have to courier it yourself also. So it's your complete responsibility. So if you are planning to do that, then you can use any courier service like ShipRocket or personally like Blue Dart, Delivery or even Indian Post Office. The third method is the FBA. Well in advance, you will send the stocks to FBA warehouse. Amazon will handle the end-to-end operation. When it comes to these three methods, the best method is FBA because you will be able to automate the entire process. Now, when it comes to Easy Ship, it is one step lesser than FBA because you will handle the parcels yourself and you will have to ship it. When it comes to self-ship, there is no cash on delivery orders at all. There is only prepaid orders. So what happens here is like the visibility will go down, but if you are getting 100 orders, 99% most of the orders will be delivered. So you can play a very safer game, but you will not be able to expand your business. These three models are available for everyone. And one more model that is available for most of the new sellers is MSF depending on the location. Multi-Seller Flex. What is it? Very simple. If it is FBA, the warehouse is entirely operated and owned by Amazon. If it is Multi-Seller Flex, the warehouse is completely owned by a third-party person like you or me. In few states, example, Kerala, Goa, there is no FBA warehouse. In that particular location, the MSF warehouse people will be there. You can store the products there and automate the entire business operation. In Tamil Nadu, we have both the FBA and also MSF warehouse. So it depends location wise. In few locations, still we don't have MSF at all. So if you don't have MSF or FBA, you have to utilize only the Easy Ship or Self-ship option, which we combinedly call as Merchant Fulfilled. So now I shared about Merchant Fulfilled, that is Easy Ship, Self-ship, FBA and MSF. The next program is called Seller Flex program. What is this? Multi-Seller Flex means there is a warehouse where multiple sellers can come and store the product. Seller Flex means your warehouse will become an FBA warehouse kind of a thing so that your visibility increases. It is an invite-only opportunity program where sellers who are really performing good will get an invite from Amazon. You have a lot of prerequisites like this much printer you should have and you should be able to manage the power like this. Many rules is there depending on the locations. So depending on the requirement, they will send you a list. This is called Seller Flex. Seller Flex will be an invite-only opportunity where sellers are really doing good amount in lakhs. Only they will get the invite. So it's not an open opportunity for new sellers. There is one more program called Amazon Accelerator program or Made for Amazon program. Whenever you are having a product that is really doing good, there are people from Amazon who approach you and say that you manufacture the products and put the Amazon brand name and deliver to them. So this is a different model which is made for Amazon or Amazon Accelerator program. If you already have an offline manufacturing setup and you have a very good thing, there is no necessity of you to have a Seller Central account and do a minimum quantity. Even without that, if you have the known managers inside Amazon, you can get easily inside this Amazon Accelerator or Made for Amazon program. But this program had a lot of prerequisites like you should have this much of capacity of your warehouse, the manufacturing capacity, everything will be audited. This program, I won't say it's open for all, it's a very closed program and only very few sellers know about this program. Now let's come to the other model called Vendor Central model. What is this Vendor Central? Vendor Central means In Vendor Central, you will sell the products to someone like Apparel, E-Trade Online, etc. For example, go and check out any beauty products on Amazon. It should be mostly sold by RK World. Who is this RK World? They will be getting all the products from the top brands and they will be selling under their own names. The benefit of a beauty brand to sign up with this RK World will be they will be available in all the FBA locations inside India. Same day, next day delivery will happen. And also there is some mutual agreement between the seller and the company RK World or any companies where there will be an agreement of payment terms, all the stocks, everything. So many sellers prefer this particular model of Vendor Central because they feel that why should they have the headache of handling returns and everything from our end. Instead, they send the products to bulk to RK World or any other company. Another method in Amazon is something called multi-seller or super seller, where the seller will be having 200 to 300 brands and selling multiple products. This is preferred by those sellers where they feel like they don't have a warehouse or manpower to handle, but in case they did not get the opportunity from these high players like RK World, etc., or their terms are not comfortable to them, then they go for this multi-seller or super seller and they send the products to these super sellers. These super sellers will have around 4 to 5 warehouses in India and they also do same day, next day delivery. So like this, n number of methods are available. And did I miss any methods? If so, do mention it in the comment below and I will cover it in the next video. So these are some of the methods that are available on Amazon visibly and I have worked on these types of sellers. If you have any other method and if I've left out anything, do let me know so that I can cover it in the next video. If you really like my content, please subscribe. Please like the content, comment your thoughts and share the video to your friends and family. And if you want me to cover any user-friendly topics, do comment below and I would be really happy to cover a detailed discussion on that particular topic. If you are planning to kickstart your Amazon FBA journey from the comfort of the home without any prior experience, technical knowledge and office setup, and with minimum investment, I would highly recommend you to check out the link along with this video. The free masterclass is for 30 minutes. Do check out the masterclass where I have covered about product research, supplier analysis, the documents that you need, what is Kitna Milega calculator and how you can scale it further. So watch the video and book a call with us so that I and my team can help you and fix a strategy for you to start your Amazon FBA journey in India.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe and turn on the bell notification of new GenMax